Do you guys remember a few years ago there was that global pandemic called COVID, where everybody seemed to be stuck at home, spare cash because they couldn't travel, and they all took on garden projects or house projects? Well, I thought the same, and I needed a shed. Problem is everywhere was sold out. So guess what I decided to do? Build my own. So it's now April 2023, and what you see now is the current state of play, but it wasn't always like this. An old shed stood in the corner of the garden, rotting away and ready to fall down. That went, an area was prepped, and then we built a new frame, sat on concrete posts. The concrete posts were sold out, so we had to build our own, making a mould and pouring in concrete. Some moisture-resistant flooring then went on top of the frame, followed by some upgrades to the existing fence. We then started work on the framing for the sides, front and rear of the build. An old PVC door frame helped line things up for the entrance of the summer house. Once the frames were made, it was then time to line them with membrane and bolt on the metal backing. You will notice a partition wall at the back part of the build. This will be for a shed space hidden behind the front of the bar section. Next was to line the front and sides with membrane and then make a start on the roof. As you can see, the roof has an overhang bit which will be for a sit-up bar style window. The roof was then lined with membrane and clad with metal roofing material. The overhang was then capped off with the same metal finish. It was then time to clad the sides and under the overhang. A grey plastic for the sides and brown for under the overhang. Inspiration taken from the local Starbucks. Next job on the list was to tackle the slabbed area outside the front of the summer house. Thanks Dad for the help with that. Slabs nailed down, they needed to clean. And the result after a good pressure wash? We added some lighting to the fence. Here's what it looks like in the daylight and at night time. At this point, the outside was kind of done. The doors are fitted, so are the windows. It was then time to turn attention to the inside. We clad the inside with moisture resistant MDF. It was now time to fill the holes and start decorating. And this is where we're at, guys, now. As you can see, bit of a dumping ground, half decorated, needs more coats of paints. We might have started it in 2020, and now it's 2023, but we're on a deadline. We're going to get it done for this summer. Still left to do, decorate, flooring, opening the bar window, actually fitting the countertop to the bar when that arrives. So yeah, if you're interested and you like what we've done so far, subscribe to the channel, like what you see, if you do. And stay tuned for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.